Once you have finished recording your green screen effects, here's how you are going to set it up in iMovie. Plug in your flipped camera or any device that you use the recording. You will select this little camera feature, and if it does it correctly, it's going to notify and show you all the pictures or video clips that are on there. What I would recommend doing is to unselect the ones you do not need. So I would first go unselect all, and then just click on only the ones that you need. When you're happy with that, choose import checked, and it's going to ask, I'm going to select just those. What size? We'll say okay. New event, I would call it commercial, your invention, with your state, whatever you may be working on, and then tell it to import. It'll take a little time. Once it's finished, it'll tell you that it's been completed, and you'll see a new event opened up. Once you're done with that, go ahead and select done, and now you should see your new event right here. Now the big thing to understand is the event is not your actual project or the actual movie that you're going to make. The next thing, depending on if you are using pictures or if you are using video clips, pictures you can simply just drag and drop right into the project. If you're using video clips, like for 5th grade, they are using some YouTube videos, you'll have to put that into the event as well. So I'll take a brief amount of time. Once that has been selected, we can add it to our movie. Now if you have any difficulties adding these to your movie, let me know, because there is a formatting problem. If you only want part of your video, make sure you just select the portion that you want and then add it. And that is how you'll actually put your video or your still pictures into your movie. Once you're ready to add your green screen slides, make sure you're going to iMovie and Preferences. You have to make sure it says Show Advanced Tools is checked, otherwise you won't get the green screen options. I'm going to select the student, drag it to the spot that I would like, select green screen, and now you'll see, just like that, it looks like you have a background and you're talking about, in this case, would be horses in the wagon. If you realized, as I have the problem, my green screen is shorter than the actual video, you can reduce the size of that simply by grabbing at the end, going here, and actually you'll have to right click and then say split clip, and then delete what you don't need. If you're using pictures and you realize your picture has to be longer, you can double click on it and simply change the duration of the clip, either faster or slower, and hit OK, and you'll see that it has expanded as well. You will want to make sure you use some text. Remember, how to get text is simply choosing here. You'll want to have your name of your invention. This was, I suppose, the wagon. So you can talk about that, and at the very end you also want to have some scrolling credits. That shows you who was in this commercial. Please do not include your last names on this though. Hopefully that will help you play around with the transitions if you have some video clips. As you can see, I can put some transitions right here and then right here. If you have to play around with the sound, you'll need to double click on your sound. You can either get rid of the sound, go into audio by turning it all the way down, or if you're really talking quietly, you might have to increase the volume. Again, play around with it so you can actually make sure you can hear it on your video clip.